For thousands of years, before telescopes, before spacecraft, before modern science, the Milky Way appeared to humanity as a shimmering ribbon stretched across the night sky, a pale, ghostly river made of countless stars. To ancient civilizations, it was a mythic path, a divine bridge, a cosmic kingdom of gods and spirits. To early astronomers, it was a question waiting for an answer. And to modern science, it is an entire galaxy, an island of hundreds of billions of stars, drifting through the vast ocean of the cosmos. But hidden at its heart is a mystery that has captured the imagination of scientists for generations. What lies at the center of the Milky Way? What anchors this colossal spiral of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter? What force shapes its structure, its motion, its destiny? For centuries, the answer remained concealed behind a thick curtain of interstellar dust. No visible telescope, no matter how large, could pierce that dark, swirling veil. The heart of our galaxy remained invisible, forbidden, unknowable. Until now, with new instruments, new wavelengths of light, and new ways of observing the universe, we can finally peer into the Milky Way's hidden core. And what we've found there is more incredible and more extreme than anyone could have imagined. The distance from Earth to the galaxy's center spans more than 25,000 light-years, a gulf so vast that even communication signals would take millennia to cross it. Between us and that distant core lie towering clouds of interstellar dust and molecular gas. These clouds are so dense that they block nearly all visible light, transforming the galactic center into a permanent night even for the most powerful optical telescopes. For centuries, this barrier sealed the center of the Milky Way from our eyes. We could measure the motions of stars around us. We could study the spiraling arms of the galaxy. But the nucleus, the heart, remained hidden. Only when astronomers began observing the universe in radio waves, infrared light, and X-rays did the picture begin to shift. These wavelengths sliced through dust like fog lights piercing a storm, revealing a realm that had been concealed since the beginning of time. What they discovered was not a calm celestial core, not a gentle cluster of ancient stars, but a region of violence, chaos, and unimaginable gravity. The center of the Milky Way is not like the stellar neighborhoods around our sun. It is a crowded, turbulent environment, a cosmic metropolis where stars live fast and die young. Here, stars cling to each other in tight clusters. Gas clouds collide with explosive force. Supernova remnants drift through the void like ghostly embers. Temperatures rise to millions of degrees. Radiation floods the environment with relentless energy. Massive young stars burn fiercely near the core, orbiting at incredible speeds, faster than any stars we see near Earth. Their paths curve sharply, betraying the presence of something immense, something invisible, something that exerts a gravitational pull on everything around it. For decades, scientists traced the motions of these stars, watching them whip around an unseen point with dizzying velocity. Their paths were perfect ellipses, as if carved by a hidden hand, an invisible mass compressed into a space far too small to be a star cluster, a nebula, or any ordinary object. All signs pointed to one extraordinary conclusion. At the exact center of the Milky Way, astronomers discovered a dark titan, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*, pronounced Sagittarius A star. This black hole contains the mass of more than 4 million suns, packed into a region no larger than the orbit of Mercury. Its gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Around it, space-time itself curves inward, forming a gravitational well so deep that nearby stars orbited at thousands of kilometers per second. Sagittarius A** is not a swirling vortex of light, at least not directly. But the matter falling toward it heats up to extreme temperatures, radiating in X-rays and radio waves that allow us to map its presence. Occasionally, flares erupt from its vicinity, momentary flashes of radiation created as gas spirals inward, torn apart by unimaginable forces. This black hole is not a cosmic vacuum sucking everything in. It is the anchor of our galaxy, the gravitational keystone around which the entire Milky Way rotates. Without it, the structure of the galaxy would be profoundly different. The most astonishing evidence came when astronomers tracked a single star, S2, completing a full orbit around the black hole in just 16 years. Its speed, curve, and acceleration confirmed the existence of a supermassive object beyond doubt. The heart of the Milky Way was no longer a mystery. Sagittarius A** shapes the galaxy in subtle but profound ways. Its immense gravity stabilizes the central region, anchoring the swirl of stars and gas that form the Milky Way's spiral structure. While it does not control every star, dark matter and galactic mass play larger roles. Its presence is essential to the overall architecture of the galaxy. Around the black hole lies the galactic bulge, a dense cluster of ancient stars orbiting in chaotic patterns. Beyond that, spiral arms unfurl like cosmic ribbons, filled with young stars born from the galaxy's ever-changing gas clouds. The black hole sits quietly now, but it was almost certainly more active in the distant past. Astronomers see hints, faint echoes of ancient eruptions, giant lobes of energy rising above the galaxy. These relics suggest that long ago, Sagittarius A** may have unleashed powerful jets or bursts of radiation, sculpting the Milky Way on colossal scales. Today it sleeps, but even dormant, it dominates the center, silent, massive, unyielding. Discovering a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy has reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. We now know that nearly every large galaxy, from spirals to ellipticals, harbors a similar giant at its core. These black holes may be fundamental to how galaxies form, evolve, and survive. They are not rare anomalies. They are cosmic anchors. They are the hearts of galaxies. And we live in one of those galaxies, orbiting quietly, far from the turbulent center, in a region calm enough for life to flourish. The conditions necessary for planets, chemistry, and biology may depend on our distance from that extreme gravitational environment. In a profound sense, our position in the galaxy is not an accident. It is a balance between the light of billions of stars and the darkness of the massive object that holds them together. So what lies at the center of the Milky Way? Not a cluster of stars, not a glowing beacon, but a supermassive black hole, a cosmic engine of gravity, silent and unseen, shaping the destiny of our galaxy from deep within a shroud of dust and darkness. It is a reminder that the universe is built from extremes: light and shadow, creation and destruction, calm and chaos. And at the heart of our galactic home, in the very center of the night sky's glowing band, sits a singularity that binds us all together, a place where the laws of physics bend, where time stretches, where stars dance in orbits carved by the most powerful force in nature. As we continue to explore, observe, and imagine, one truth becomes clear. The center of the Milky Way is not just a location in space. It is a frontier, a mystery, a testament to how far humanity has come, and how much more awaits us in the darkness beyond.